Hi, welcome back. I've been working on publishing this Ancient Halls game so you guys can actually play it instead of me just doing videos, and maybe you can give me ideas, whatever. It's taking a while. In the meantime, I've started on a sequel to this game. Once you successfully exit the Ancient Halls, you'll be able to play Countryside because it'll just drop you right in there. Oh boy, this thing just got crushed. So right now, hang on, let me get this going again. I was having an auto player. Come on. All right. Right now, I'm just developing on the new game, the Countryside. I'm just developing the creator's view, not the game itself. And the reason is that in this game, Ancient Halls, it auto generates the maze by itself, right? But in Countryside, since it's the countryside, it's out in the open, it's harder to do that. And besides, I thought, you know what, I can do that. So I'm working on the creator's view so that I can dream up new countryside as I think of them, right? Now, every game needs a storyline, but for me, the ideas for a possible storyline all depend on what's available in the game itself. So currently, I'm working on just being able to create the game area and objects that can be placed in the game. And so that's what I'm going to show you now. All right, first let's start off. I'm going to delete all the old stuff. And let's create a mountain first. Is that a mountain? No, a mountain right here. And let's put it in the center. Let's make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger. There we go. And by the way, I should make well, it's already 100 size. So actually, you know, that's pretty, I'm gonna have to back up. So 200. Okay, and I'm gonna have to move it out over here. What does that look like? Okay, that's pretty cool. Now let's add some trees around it. We'll just throw them on top of the mountain because they're gonna space themselves out. And what's nice about this is that I can zoom on here. So let's try that. Let's zoom in there. There we go. Oh, wait a second. Oh man, I'm gonna have to start all over again. Wow, because I can't move it after I've dumped the trees because it's illegal. You can't move a mountain over the trees. So let's do that again. You know what? We'll leave it that size. How about we'll do that. We'll make it a really weird. I'm gonna make it weird so you can see what the possibilities are. Okay, no mountain's gonna look like that, but we're gonna leave it like that. Now we're gonna put some trees in here, whatever. Okay. And then why don't we do a road? Let me zoom back out. We'll do the road here. There we go. We'll do another road. Let's do another road over here. It should snap. Did it? Did it do that? Let's hope it did. It should have snapped to it. Oh, I had it for a second there. Turned green on. There we go. Now I can move it. There we go. Okay, so we'll do that. No, okay, let's move it first. There we go, and then we can go back to making it thin. Whatever. Okay. Now I want to show you something here. But this is what I'm working on right now. It's not done yet. This is a cave, and I can make caves go inside of mountains. So I'm joining those two together. That, believe it or not, that's a cave right there, and I can actually add another one over here, and it can just dead end if I wanted to, or it can snap to an existing one. So I can have a whole maze of caves. Now we can't go in there yet, so let's get rid of that, and let's actually oh wait, I need to show you okay, I have it there. So there's what I call the filler trees, which is the edge of the universe. Oh my gosh. This is the edge of the universe, is the filler trees. That's as far. So I got to build in here. Whatever I'm going to build, I got to build in here. So let's see. I should be able to strafe. Yeah. So let's walk around, because the thing is the painting. Oh, see the road there? The painting is pretty hard to do. Oh, look, I found a mistake. Oh man, I found a mistake. Look at that. Oh well, I'm still. Oh no, those trees are too close. those trees are too close. Yep. I'm still learning how to strafe. There we go. Okay, so it does paint well sometimes. Still working. Like, see, these are too close. These fell too close. Yeah, look. Now they're painted right, but then other times they're not. So anyway, that's what I have so far is the giving myself the ability to come up with, the scene, the countryside, and like for example, maybe I'll add little houses, maybe I'll add a stream. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe bird sounds at different places. We'll see how my imagination goes, and then once I have all the objects that I can think of coming down this palette area here, then I have to start thinking about the storyline. I want to make the player have to go into the mountain and into the caves and maybe find something, or who knows.